Today in Truck Talk, if you're about to spend 15, 20, or even $30,000 on a new roof, let me ask you something. How do you know that you're actually buying the right roof? Most homeowners compare one thing, which is the price, but here's the problem. The lowest bid isn't always the best value, and the highest bid doesn't automatically mean you're getting the best quality either. The truth is, there are a handful of questions that can instantly tell you whether you're dealing with a professional roofing contractor or just someone trying to make a sale. So today, I'm going to give you 10 questions I think every homeowner should ask before signing a roofing contract. Let's jump into it. So, question number one: do I actually need a new roof? This might sound obvious, but you will be surprised how often homeowners are told they need a full roof replacement when a quality repair would buy them several more years. Now, there are certainly roofs that are absolutely needing to be replaced, but there are also roofs that still have plenty of life left in them. A contractor should be able to show you exactly why they're recommending you a roof replacement. So, not just tell you. Ask them to point it out: missing shingles, granule loss, exposed fiberglass mat, soft decking, storm damage, age-related deterioration. If they can't explain it clearly, that's a red flag. And here's question number two: what shingle are you installing and why? Believe it or not, not all shingles are created equal. Some are built to better withstand hail, some resist algae longer, some have better wind ratings, others are designed to stay flexible as they age. Instead of asking what's the cheapest option, maybe you should ask, why do you recommend this shingle over another one? A good contractor should be able to explain the differences in plain English, not just throw brand names at you. Question number three: what underlayment will you use? Most homeowners never even see the underlayment. They don't even realize that that's a part of the roof. But if water gets past your shingles, this layer is what protects your home. Ask, will you use synthetic underlayment? Will there be ice and water shield where it needs to be? Why are you choosing those products? It's one of the most important parts of the roofing system, yet it's rarely discussed because it's not seen. Question number four: how will you be able to handle, or how will you handle roof ventilation? This is probably one of the most overlooked parts of the roof. Your attic needs fresh air coming in through the soffits and moist air escaping through the top. If the ventilation isn't balanced, it can lead to higher attic temperatures, moisture buildup, mold, premature shingle aging. Ask if they actually elevate your ventilation instead of simply replacing what's already there. A new roof deserves proper ventilation. Question number five: what happens if you find rotted wood? Nobody knows exactly what's underneath the shingles until they're removed, and if they tell you they do, they are kind of blowing smoke. Sometimes everything looks great. Sometimes there's hidden water damage. Ask them, how much will it be if decking needs to be replaced? What's the price if additional plywood is needed? Will you show me pictures before replacing it? Transparency here prevents surprises later on. Question number six: what workmanship warranty do you provide? Here's something many homeowners don't realize. The manufacturer warranty usually covers the materials. The contractor warranties the installation. Those are two completely different things. Even the best shingles can fail if they're installed incorrectly. So ask how long the workmanship warranty lasts and exactly what does it cover. Question number seven: are you installing the roof according to manufacturer specifications? Manufacturers spend millions testing their products. Their installation instructions exist for a reason. Ask things like, will you use a starter shingle? How many nails will each shingle receive? Are you following the manufacturer requirements on low slope sections? Will flashing be replaced where needed? A roof that's installed incorrectly may not perform the way it's supposed to, and in some cases, it could even affect warranty coverage. Question number eight: how will you protect my property? Roof replacements are messy. Ask how they'll protect landscaping, flower beds, gutters, windows, air conditioning units, driveways, and whatever else you may have. Also ask how they'll clean up the nails afterward. A professional contractor should already have a plan before the first shingle comes off. Question number nine: what happens if I have a problem later? Hopefully you never will. But if you do, who do you call? How quickly do they respond? Will they stand behind their work? You don't want to find out after the job is complete that the company is impossible to reach. And question number 10, can you show me proof? Anybody can make promises. The best contractors can back those promises up. Ask to see photos of previous work, customer reviews, references, insurance, certifications, inspection reports. A reputable company should have no problem showing you those things. And here is one bonus question. The question almost nobody asks: how did you determine that this recommendation is actually in my best interest? That one question tells you a lot about the contractor standing in your driveway. Are they educating you, or are they simply trying to sell you the biggest job possible? I've been in situations where a full roof replacement would have made my company more money, but the homeowner truly only needed a repair. Just happened last week. Do I enjoy selling roof replacements? Absolutely. But I also sleep well at night knowing I'm recommending what is best for the homeowner, not just what's best for my commission. In my opinion, that's what integrity looks like. If you're getting ready to replace your roof, I hope these questions help you make a better decision. A roof is the biggest investment you'll make in your home, and the contractor you choose matters just as much as the materials they install. If this video helped you, I'd appreciate it if you'd hit the like button and subscribe. I put out homeowner education videos every week to help you avoid expensive mistakes and understand what you're actually paying for. And if you're in Middle Tennessee and you'd like an honest evaluation of your roof, even if the answer is you don't need a new one, I'd be happy to help. I'm in the Upper Cumberland part of Tennessee. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.